Hey everyone, Lewis Bittle here from Hair for All. Just wanted to do a follow-up video just to show everyone at home that this is my new system. As you can see, I have got a new system on which is a little bit different to my last one. This system is a little bit longer, a little bit thicker, and what we've added to do is added a bit of a grey to the blend this time, just to show sort of a little bit of a sort of a real, give it a real sort of experience of what it would be like, because now I am getting a little bit older, so what we wanted to do is to basically put a bit of grey going through it to basically give it reality. As you can see, the hairline is absolutely amazing. Completely happy with this. Thanks Colin, thanks Phil at Hair for All. It's an outstanding system. This system is half lace, half skin. Now what you'll find with that is when you do half skin and half lace, it just gives the cleanup process a little bit of it makes it a little bit easier, which, and also I would say it doesn't actually change anything to do with sort of the way it looks. It's more to do with the actual fact of what it actually feels like on the scalp and how easy it is on the cleanup process at the end. But like I said, there's no difference. I've got basically glue which goes throughout, and the difference is with lace and glue, when it's just lace and skin, the actual skin, you can actually paint the actual lace on, paint the actual glue on, which is a massive difference, and it just adds up cleanup time. But like I said, completely really happy with it, and I strongly recommend, if you're going to sort of have a hair system, try and when you add different blends through to the actual system itself, just because it makes it look a bit more real and it blends more into your natural hair. But yeah, thanks guys. I'll give you a little 12 what it looks like. Cool. Thanks guys.